Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Common Q. Over the winter, the Prince of Pork and I picked up this 36-inch Blackstone. It's a pretty basic model here. It does have the lid that comes on, and we'll be doing a lot of cooking on this griddle on the channel. One of the very first things I guess kind of realized, and I didn't know there was a solution for it, was that when you're cooking on it, if it's windy outside, you get a lot of draft that comes underneath the griddle and just kind of gives you inconsistent temps. Not only that, but a lot of the heat escapes from under the griddle and will end up burning or melting some of like the plastic prep trays you have, or your oil and water bottles, something like that. So the solution for that is, I actually found it in one of the Blackstone groups on Facebook, is this. It's a wind guard for a 36-inch griddle, okay? Now this is made by MeWeBlue. I got this, I paid 35 bucks for this, same as you guys, right off of Amazon. I've seen all kinds of different tricks. People are putting grill scrapers or anything to try to block that draft from coming underneath. So anyhow, we're gonna do is we're gonna walk you through how to kind of put these on today, and then a little bit later we'll do a cook on this and just see kind of if it improved or not. So stay tuned for that video. Make sure you drop down there, hit that subscribe button. That way you get notified when that video comes out. Anyhow, wind guard for the 36-inch griddle. Essentially what you get with that is you get 4 pieces. All right, they all look pretty much the same, except the back pieces are going to have the magnets further apart, and the side pieces are going to have the magnets closer together. All right, these things go on super simple. Like I said, they do have magnets. Those magnets go up and they stick to the cooking surface. You could apply these things very simply by using the magnets and having them stick. It's that simple. So we got the one side on. We're gonna go ahead and put these 2 back ones on, okay? And we'll get a video shot of this in a second. But essentially, they span the grease trap in the back, all right? So we'll get this one on. And then the far side. And that's a wrap. Look at that, guys. And it took about 10 seconds once we got the box open and got them ready to go and kind of figured out where they go to get this thing all put together. Later we're going to be cooking some bacon and eggs up on this bad boy, and I'm going to do a before and after test using our trusty thermometer here that needs to be cleaned up to show kind of what the improvement was. So if you want to see more about that, guys, and if you want to support the channel, just hit that thumbs up, turn on notifications, and make sure you subscribe. With that, guys, take care.